So here's an idea. If you are gonna be salty, could you at least bring tequila?